Hi, everybody. Thank you very much for coming. I'm Radhika Apte, and I want to introduce you to my character in the film. My character is called Mehek. So I want to tell you a little bit about Mehek. Mehek is a very gifted artist. She's a painter, and she used to be a very independent, very free-spirited, liberal girl staying in Mumbai, just like me and most of us. She enjoyed her life. She worked a lot, and she was single, and she enjoyed being single. One night, on a very routine evening, rather, something happened, and that changed her life upside down. And her pretty colorful life became a nightmare almost. She basically developed agoraphobia. Now, agoraphobia is not one of those phobias that you just saw. It's a fear of open spaces or public spaces. It's a very irrational fear, but it's a disorder. So she basically could not step out of the house. I don't know how many of us have ever experienced being locked in the house for 6 months or more. It's extremely difficult. I don't think I can imagine what it is like, actually. But she was locked in the house for months, and everybody tried to help her, her family, her friends, herself. She tried to help herself too. But she eventually had to move into a new house. When she moved into a new house, there was a new trouble there. She realized that there was something in the house that was trying to drive her out, and that she couldn't really stay inside the house. But because of her agoraphobia, she couldn't even step out. And that is Mehek's story.
Finally, we present to you a spine-chilling psychological thriller of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, let us once again hear the loudest and the longest round of applause for Phobia. And yes, with that, it's time for me to once again invite the beautiful, the talented, the hot, and the amazingly sensational Radhika Apte once again back on stage. Wow, this is something this is extraordinary.
I hope you liked it too, not just us.
How did you guys like it? Was it nice? Yes or no? Come on, guys, can we make some noise? How was it? Lovely. Radhika, we'd love to know your experience. This is a complete different film that you've done, so we really want to know your experience. How was it?
It was actually one of the, I think, most difficult films to do, because there was a lot of research that went into it, because it's, a panic, when you get a panic attack, it's not like a stressful day ki aaj meri train miss ho jayegi to stress aa gaya aur panic ho gaya. It's an actual disorder, so it has its own symptoms, it's biological. मतलब जैसे बुखार आता है, वैसे panic attack आता है, तो you can't do anything about it. It comes biologically, naturally to you. So I had to do a lot of research for that, and I think there's a very thin balance. We were trying to say a few things in the film, and we had to make it really grippy and edgy, and so it used to be lots of discussions on sets every day. We shot it in a very few days, so it was a very hectic schedule, and I think emotionally and physically it was a bit stressful to perform, but I think I had a great time playing Mehek.
Wow, Radhika, we would want to know more about your character. I mean, this is something that's giving us goosebumps.
Yeah, I said so much about my character earlier.
A little more about that.
My directors and producers sitting there, they'll kill me if I tell more.
I think in that case, I think we should call him on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who gave us Ragini MMS. Let's all put our hands together for the multi-talented Pavan, congratulations for this amazingly beautiful thriller. Well, all I would want to know is that how Phobia happened to you?
Well, the idea was to try and do something different with the genre. and I think it started from there. And I think the idea of playing with fear and paranoia and actually making a film that is completely based on that was where the genesis was.
Wow, and how was your experience?
It was wonderful. I mean,
Your experience working with her?
couldn't have asked for a better actor and
Wow.
and a better studio to make this movie with.
Thank you, thank you. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, with that, I would like to invite on stage our very own Vicky Rajnani.
Hello.
We'd love to know what made you back this film.
I like to do different kind of movies, so this was a very interesting script and a good combination of good director and an amazing performer like Radhika. So I took on the project.
Wow. So I think with that, it's time for me to announce the open forum. Yeah, so let's the media throw questions here. So yeah, I would now like to announce the open forum. So where do I see the first question coming from?
Hi Radhika. राधिका, बॉलीवुड में जब भी फियर को लेके फिल्में बनती हैं वो अक्सर हॉरर फिल्में होती हैं, भूत प्रेत पे आधारित होती हैं, लेकिन ट्रेलर देख के तो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है सिर्फ फोबिया पर आधारित, इस पे भूत प्रेत का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। लेकिन मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपको कभी कोई फोबिया रहा है और उस फोबिया से आप किस तरह से बाहर आई हैं, या ऐसी कहानियाँ आपने सुनी है किसी फ्रेंड को फोबिया रहा हो, कुछ बता सकती हैं?
हाँ, मुझे डर तो बहुत चीज़ों से लगता है, पर आई वोंट से दैट्स कि मुझे फोबिया है, क्योंकि फोबिया इट्स अ प्रॉपर डिसऑर्डर, तो वो मुझे नहीं है। पर आई हैव 2 वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हु सफ़र फ्रॉम पैनिक डिसऑर्डर। उसमें एक जो है उसको ट्रैवलिंग का फोबिया है, और आई नो हर फॉर आई थिंक 20 years now. She was my teacher in school, and it's so much I have learned from her, so much. And another person I know in London who has agoraphobia actually. So it was when he came to me, actually the first meeting that we had, we met in Leaping Windows, and he told me the story. I said, I can't believe this, because I was actually doing some research on panic disorder with the same friend. And I said that this is a great coincidence that, you've come with the same, at least the meet was the same.
कोई खास डर अभी आपके मन में किसी चीज को लेके चलता हो अभी कुछ?
अभी तो ये है कि अगर फिल्म नहीं देखी तो बहुत मुझे डर लगेगा, तो जाके फिल्म देखो प्लीज।
थैंक यू।
राधिका आपने मेरा सवाल है जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन। किसी इंसान को फोबिया हो जाता तब उसके लिए सबसे मुश्किल काम क्या होता?
बहुत चीज़ें हैं आई थिंक। जिस चीज़ से डर लगता है उसको ओवरकम करना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है। पर आई थिंक मुझे जो भी एक्सपीरियंस है बाकी लोगों की कहानियाँ सुन के या जो भी, आई थिंक ये समझना कि मुझे ये फोबिया है, और हम मेरे आजू बाजू को लोगों को भी दे ऑल्सो शुड नो दैट दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर डिसऑर्डर। इट्स नॉट जस्ट मैं डिप्रेस नहीं हूँ, मुझे एक्चुअली फोबिया है। ये समझ के उसको डील करने का तरीका सबको पता होना चाहिए, और that's the most difficult thing, because a lot of time what happens is that people don't identify that it's a phobia and they think इसको क्या हो गया, ये पागल हो गई है या इसको depression आ गया है, but it's actually a medical condition. So I think that's a very difficult thing for the patient to first identify, be aware of it, and the people around the person.
Hi Radhika, over here. First of all, congratulations, the trailer looks amazing.
Thanks.
I have 2 questions for you. Firstly, you have been a part of a short film, Ahalya, which was directed by Sujay Ghosh, and even that was a psychological thriller. And now even this is a thing. So if you have to say the difference between a short film and a feature film, how would you do that in the same genre?
Your question is a bit tricky, because short film and a long film, a feature film are different because of the length. And you're talking about Ahalya, how Ahalya is different from Phobia, then they're completely 2 different films.
No, I'm asking about the different approach in terms of characterization and
They're
everything.
different films. Even if you give me a comedy film and a horror film, my approach will be different. If you give me 2 psychological thrillers, my approach will be different, because it's a different film altogether. It's a different character. There's nothing similar about the 2 stories. So it was a completely fresh, new approach.
And another question, you said you shot for the film like in a very limited time. So could you say how many days did it take
28? 28.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more question is to the director. So your first film was Ragini MMS, and now again this. Both are thrillers. So are you trying to create your own niche in this genre?
Not really. I just enjoy the genre. That's all. You know, I'm a fan first and then a filmmaker.
Radhika, either.
Hi, my question is to director as well as the producer. Was Radhika was the first choice?
Yes, that's the first person I spoke to about the movie was Radhika.
And once she was on board, we knew that she would do the perfect justice to the script, so we went ahead.
Radhika, are you feeling the pressure because it's a very performance-oriented role? At the same time, you are the only known face, so pressure of the box office?
Pressure. I have decided to go away after the release. So.
See, we made a good movie, so we leave it up to the
Yeah,
audience to
exactly.
decide the box office.
You know, you do what you can do. You put 100% in what you do. And I think we have. We've really worked hard. So it's up to you.
Hi Radhika, Alok here.
Hello.
Hi. मेरा सवाल है शूटिंग के दौरान जैसे आप कुछ जो भी शॉट लेते थे उसके बाद जब घर जाते थे कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि उस जोन में आप रहे हों?
एक दिन हुआ यार. I'll tell you, this is really funny. Because, जब हम psychological thriller है ना, तो शूट करें तो बहुत सारी डिस्कशंस होती रहती है कि यार इससे इतना डर लगेगा या इससे डर लगेगा क्या मतलब यू कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट कि किससे क्या होगा एंड व्हेन यू कॉन्स्टेंटली परफॉर्मिंग यू फील लाइक हाँ इससे इतना डर तो नहीं लगेगा ना ये ब्ला 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 4 o'clock in the night we packed up. I went home and I went to like change and everything. I think ऊपर कोई तो कुछ फर्नीचर मूव कर रहा था और मुझे कुछ तो सुनाई दिया एंड यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ आई फ्रीक्ड आउट. मुझे इतना डर लगा मैं बोल के हेलो हेलो करके आई वेंट थ्रू लाइक सब घर पे घूम के फाइनली आई कॉल्ड बेनेडिक्ट हु वाज नॉट इन इंडिया एंड आई सेड आई कैन हियर समथिंग आई कांट स्लीप एंड आई हैव अ कॉल टाइम इन लाइक 4 hours एंड व्हाट टू डू एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे आई वेंट टू पवन आई सेड छोटा भी आवाज आएगा मैं डर जाऊंगी सो लेट्स जस्ट पुट इट इन सो आई डोंट नो इट जस्ट oh my god it was scary I couldn't sleep that day at all.
Hi Radhika. Over here. Straight
Hi.
ahead. Russell from Moviefied.
Hi Russell.
Okay, I would just like to know why agoraphobia among all the phobias, like claustrophobia is like more common. Why you all chose agoraphobia?
Because the story demanded it, according to me. But I think Pavan was better.
It was the idea of being entrapped, and I think agoraphobia lends itself to that really well. You know, the fact that you can't go out, and then when you have something that's trying to push you out, so you're kind of stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea. So that basic concept was really interesting, and that's why.
And I think what happens to her that night is also very important.
Yeah.
Which is why she gets agoraphobia. Once you watch the film, you'll know what happens to her, and there is a reason why that happened. There's something that we're trying to say, but for that you'll have to watch the film.
Okay,
विकी मेरा सवाल आपसे है आपके लेफ्ट में आप बस सुन लीजिए मुझे पीछे जो ये पोस्टर है इसके बारे में ज़रा बताएं क्योंकि ये काफ़ी क्रिएटिवली काफ़ी अच्छा
थोड़ा अलग है ना.
हाँ ये
इसके लिए आपको अच्छा लगेगा. I think the different creative will catch a person's eye, and this is a 2-dimensional photograph as you can see. So it tells a lot more of the character.
और राधिका कोई ऐसा फोबिया रहा हो आपके भीतर जो जिससे आपने निजात पाई हो पिछले सालों में?
As I said, I don't have a actual disorder at all of any sorts. But डर जो है मुझे एक बहुत peculiar चीज का डर है actually. I can't swim in swimming pools which are on top floors.
राधिका आपके सामने रितेश. राधिका इधर आपके सामने ETV से रितेश आपके सामने इधर. अरे हाँ यार. Your left.
Hi, sorry.
जो पेप टॉक का सीन है एक पिक्चर में हमने देखा ट्रेलर में पेप टॉक कर रही हैं अपने आप से बात कर रही हैं शीशे के सामने.
जी
तो वो करना और निजी लाइफ में भी आप उस तरह के पेप टॉक्स करती हैं अपने से?
मैं बहुत खुद से बात करती हूँ और इसी वजह से एक्चुअली हम बात कर रहे थे कि मैं we were talking a lot. He wanted a scene and I said let's do this because I am so used to talking to myself alone. जब भड़ास बाहर निकाल नहीं सकते तो घर पे मैं निकालती हूँ उसे इमेजिन करके. तो
फिल्म की यूएसपी क्या है? लोग क्यों ये फिल्म देखने जाएं? क्या है एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन बताइए कि लोग फिल्म इस चीज़ को देखने जाएं. तीनों लोग बता सकते हैं.
Well, I think one of the main reasons is Radhika, and her performance is I think by far the best I've seen in a long time. And secondly, I would think that the concept itself has a really unique twist to the genre, and I think we've and also given it enough subtext, and it's not just a pointless thriller movie. You know.
See, it's something very fresh for the audience. People have seen a lot of thrillers, but this kind of thriller has not been made in India. It's a very different kind of movie for the audience. So I think that's going to be the biggest USP. People are going to go in for a different kind of ride.
Radhika, Abhishek here, on your left. Hi. So besides talking to yourself, how much could you relate to this character of Mehak?
I have an anxiety problem, so quite a lot. No, actually, not too much. But I think that's the beauty of it, because sometimes not sometimes, but as an actor, you have to play characters that you don't really, don't relate to story-wise, or don't relate to characteristics-wise, because then you challenge yourself more. But people ask us the question a lot whether you relate to a character or not. So it's a tricky question, because somewhere you don't, because I don't have a phobia, I have not gone through what she has gone through or anything like that of that sort. But I think we as individuals can relate to each other because of on an emotional level all the time, because the emotions are the same at the end of the day. And I think that's why to a character you can always relate to. If you look at it kindly and empathize with the character, you can always relate to it.
So it's in a way your pure acting that we can see in this.
That I don't know, but this is the approach.
Right. Also, Vicky, is there any kind of promotional song, or does this film has music at all?
See, when we don't have a promotional song plan, because the songs we were trying to do, was taking a lot away from the movie. So we thought, let the movie be as it is and hard hit the audience with a campaign, instead of diluting it with a song.
I think it's really amazing that they've really supported every bit of what we all, three of us, and the writer and everybody believed in. So I think it's great.
Okay, my question to Radhika. Radhika, yes. After playing Fagunia in The Mountain Man, उसके बाद में सीधा महक का किरदार करना, the trailer looking really promising, और वो नजर आता है जब हम ट्रेलर देखते हैं तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था आपके लिए, और do you went in some sort of workshop before you go, the film goes on floor?
फगुनिया तो हो गए 2-2.5 साल, उसके बाद मैंने
still after फगुनिया Mountain Man,
नहीं of course, पर नहीं, हमने वर्कशॉप नहीं किया, पर हमने मिलके बहुत सारी बातें की, बहुत सारा रिसर्च किया, बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे, बहुत सारे लोगों से मिले, and that is homework. So we did a lot of homework, and it's something when you start working you're excited about, you keep thinking about it, and that's also kind of workshopping, I think. But physically, as an acting workshop, we did not do.
Okay, Radhika, जिस तरह की फिल्में अब तक आप करती आई हैं, हर जगह अपनी मौजूदगी दर्ज कराती हैं, क्या आने वाले टाइम में कमर्शियल मसाला फिल्म जहां बोलते हैं पेड़ों के इर्द-गिर्द नाचना, that too is a tough job, क्या करना?
I agree with you.
क्या करना चाहेंगी? Given a choice.
मैंने कभी खुद को कैटेगराइज किया नहीं है. जो फिल्में आती है उसमें जो एक्साइटिंग लगता है मैं करती हूँ. मैंने लय भारी भी की, मुझे मजा आया करने में. अगर कुछ और मिला जो से मुझे एक्साइटमेंट लगनी चाहिए तो मैं करूँगी. मैं एक्टर हूँ, सब करना चाहती हूँ.
We'll just take the last 2 questions.
पवन, ये फिल्म कहाँ based है? Like मुंबई, दिल्ली या exactly?
Bombay. Suburbs of Bombay.
और विकी, प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटजी क्या होगी, किस तरीके से, क्योंकि अक्सर जब फिल्में इस तरीके से बनती हैं तो उनका प्रमोशन भी काफी अलग होता है.
There has been the start of the campaign, if you've noticed, has been with the different kind of phobias online, which has really caught on, and I've heard a lot of people asking me that and telling me from the media also that it's a good campaign which has started. And for this movie, obviously, it's going to be targeted towards the metros and multiplex audiences. So it's going to be more on online and television.
Okay, Radhika, here. कुछ साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी कौन, जिसमें उर्मिला आपके सामने here.
Sorry, I'm so bad at this. Yes.
कुछ साल पहले एक फिल्म आई थी उर्मिला की कौन. अभी ट्रेलर देखा तो सिमिलर स्टोरी लग रही थी. डोंट यू थिंक कि ऐसी फिल्म पागल बनाती है व्यूअर्स को कि खोदा पहाड़ और निकली चुहिया, लास्ट में म्यूजिक के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं डराता उसमें. वन सेकंड.
हाँ, तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है?
क्वेश्चन इसके मैम कि उसकी कहानी और इस फिल्म की कहानी बहुत सिमिलर लग रही है. हाँ. कितनी डिफरेंट है ये फिल्म,
आप जब जाके देखेंगे तब आपको पता
चलेगा. और मैम जानना ये भी चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ऐसी फिल्मों में कुछ कहानी पर्टिकुलर होती, कोई मैसेज नहीं होता है, कोई कहानी नहीं होती है, तो बताना क्या चाहती हैं इस फिल्म के जरिए? कुछ
ऐसी फिल्में, मतलब ऐसी सब फिल्में
मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम
नहीं, इसमें है कुछ तो है हम बताना चाह रहे हैं, तो आप खुद का इंटरप्रिटेशन अगर हमें बताएंगे तो बहुत हमें अच्छा लगेगा, क्योंकि हर आदमी का इंटरप्रिटेशन अलग है, पर देर इज सम थॉट इन इट, देर इज आवर हार्ट एंड सोल, एंड देर इज समथिंग दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू से.
Hi Radhika.
Radhika, hi. Thank you. That was the last.
Radhika, hi.
This is the last question.
This is the last question. Hi.
राधिका, तुझा सिनेमा येतोय, तमिळ सिनेमा येतोय रजनीकांतजींसोबत काबली. त्याबद्दल काय सांगशील? मलेशियामध्ये शेवटचं शूट तुझं पार पडलेलं. ॲक्शन सीन्स पाहायला मिळणार आहेत का? नेमकी काय भूमिका आहे तुझी?
हिंदी
मराठी दोन्ही प्लीज.
हाँ, मुझे अरे रजनीकांत के साथ काम करने में किसको नहीं मज़ा आएगा. तो बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक इट वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ माय लाइफ बिकॉज इट वाज रजनी सर, वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. ही इज सच अ वंडरफुल मैन. आई थिंक उनके जैसा कोई नहीं है. तो मलेशिया का शूटिंग बहुत अच्छा रहा, बहुत धूप थी, और शूटिंग तो खत्म हो गई, अभी डबिंग चालू है, तो रिलीज होगी. आई थिंक इट विल रिलीज सून.
पण त्याच्यात तुझ्या आणि रजनीकांतजीचे ॲक्शन सीन्स पाहायला मिळणार आहेत?
मे बी.
Thank you very much for the questions, and I would now like to invite on stage Nandu Ahuja, Senior VP India Theatricals, Eros.